Hey miners, Mining King here. Today I got a package from Red Panda, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, I have a package here from Mr. Red Panda. Just want to say thank you, Red Panda. Appreciate doing the trade with you, buddy, as always. So I did do another trade with Red Panda Mining. And before I tell you what I traded, why don't we open up and see what it actually is I got, and then I'll tell you what I traded, and then you guys can let me know down in the comments below if you think it was a good trade or not. Well, as you can see, it is packaged very well. Lots of bubble wrap, always a good thing to see. Oh yeah, more bubble wrap. Looks like he packed this very, very well. Okay, I'll probably keep this bubble wrap as I've been doing quite a bit of trades, so. All right, and is this what's in this box? Let's find out together. And it is, whoa, check out all that. Wow, dude, we got a bunch of stickers in here, holy smokes. Well, he sent me everybody's. I think it's because I complained last time that when he sends something, he didn't send any stickers. So, thanks, Red Panda, I appreciate it, buddy. Love the Red Panda Mining stickers. Oh, nice, I got some D-Miner stickers, which I need some new ones. Oh, there you go. Here's a sticker I don't have, is the Hobbyist. We got a TPS sticker, max voltage, pocket change, chump change, misfit mining. Oh, I don't have this one. Oh, and then we got Blue No Mining. Yep, here's another sticker I don't have. DJ Mines. Oh, nice. And Octominer stickers, as well as tons of stickers here. Wow, thank you, Red Panda. Once again, thank you, buddy. And let's see what I traded. So you did see the gold shell on the box, and yes, this is a Voss coin edition. Gold shell mini ASIC. So has kind of a rough texture on the finish, but looks really nice. So really excited. He did give me the I know I've heard bad things about these like laptop brick style power supplies. I'm probably just gonna use, I have my like little test bench slash little GPU miner in my guest bedroom, and it's running off of a parallel miner breakout board. So I'll probably just plug this into the breakout board and not use this. I've seen and heard things of these, you know, melting and things like that. So I'll just use one of the parallel miner, you know, PCI cables from the breakout board. So now that you get my pile of stickers here, look at that. Oh man, so many stickers. So now that you've seen what me and what I got from Panda, and so let's see what you guys think about this. I traded him another 3070 Founders Edition for this mini Doge miner here, and I don't have any ASICs. This is, I mean, it is an ASIC, but it's a very small one. So you may be asking me, Mining King, you don't have any ASICs, you know, why do you want this? And so something that, you know, as we get closer to the merge and things like that, I have been, you know, looking down other avenues for diversifying my portfolio, right? Because we don't know, you know, what's going to be in the future, and GPU mining, for, you know, could get pretty ugly in, you know, after, you know, Ethereum merges and things like that. So Right now, that's why I've looked into several other projects like the Flux node, and I tried Helium out, and I'm trying to diversify my portfolio, as somebody would say. So that's my tactic. Is I just don't want to be concentrated in one place, because I feel that that's too narrow-minded. You know what I mean? I kind of want to have a little bit of everything everywhere, not like a lot. So this is going to be my first time dabbling with an ASIC. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. I know there's tons of videos out there, so I could try to do profitability stuff and things like that as well. So let me know down in the comments down below. Do you guys think that trading for this Voscoin edition mini ASIC, mini Doge miner for a 3070 Founders edition, was it worth it in your guys' opinion to trade for that? Or would you have not traded? Would you rather just kept the 3070 Founders and not got the mini Doge? And that's if you guys don't have one of these or are interested in this. Me, I love mining. I'm really not an ASIC miner. I do like the idea of having some Litecoin and Dogecoin. And just having other coins in my wallet. So this is going to be like something that I just plug in and I kind of just forget about, and I let those coins just stack up until the next bull run. So that's kind of my reasoning behind this. I'm hoping I could just plug it in, just forget about it, and let the coins just stack up. Let me get this ASIC hooked up, and let's see let's see how easy this is, besides just plugging in the PCIe and the Ethernet. Like how easy is it to actually run one of these mini Doge miners? And once again, as always, thank you, Red Panda. I really appreciate the trade, man. It's always fun doing stuff like this. Thank you so much, man. And thanks for the all the stickers from all the different people, including some I had and some I didn't have. So, all right, guys. So I have the gold shell. I've had it up and running for about a day, and I'm mining to F2 pool, and I'm merge mining Litecoin and Dogecoin. And you can see the hash rate here. It's been going up and down. And then I will show you what the gold shell will look like. So this is the first home page here, and then you'll have to unlock the miner. So here you can see a few different things. You see the mega hash. You can see the fan RPMs, what kind of mode. There's two different modes, I think, in this, and it was in hash rate mode, which I think this is the performance mode. There's some other settings in here, but it's pretty basic. You know what I mean? You have to find this in your router so you can log into it through the IP address and stuff like that. But yeah, so far it's been pretty simple. Maybe I'll do in 30 days from now, the 25th of May. So I will do maybe like a 30-day review and see how much Litecoin and Dogecoin I made as like a little profitability review. But once again, thank you, Red Panda Mining. Always love doing a trade with you, buddy. And just remember, guys, this is the Mining King giving you the most hashes, and I'll see you next time.